Please, Sukhendu Sekhar Roy.
Thank you, sir. Now, sir, whatever Rupa Ganguly ji, Rajiv Gaura ji and Vandana ji, I am concurring with their views and expressions. However, I would like to make a few points, as my good friend Mr. Navneet Krishnan has rightly pointed out, that in clause 4, 5 and 6, the expressions which have been used as woman under 16 years of age, woman under 12 years of age, and woman under 16 years of age, etc. etc. Now, sir, according to English Oxford Living Dictionary, woman's definition is such: an adult human female is a woman. Now, definition of girl, a female child. Definition of child, a young human being below the age of puberty or below the legal age of majority. Keeping all these expressions and definitions provided for in the English dictionary, I think this word woman should be replaced by appropriate words, and there are certain more legal shortcomings in this bill, and the request that has been made by Mr. Gaura, I support that the bill should go to the select committee because there are so many shortcomings. Now, sir, for example, my personal view on this bill is that in case of rape below 12 years, the punishment is minimum 20 years and maximum life imprisonment or death. Whereas, in case of below 16 years and above 12 years, and 16 years and above, the punishment is lesser. Why? If the crime is same, then why there should be discrimination in case of punishment? That should not be. The similar punishment, because if we want to initiate a deterrent law, because somebody may agree or may not agree, reports are published in a routine manner, that as if India is a rape country, which is not. But no doubt about it that the incidents of rape are increasing alarmingly in different parts of the country. Therefore, sir, my humble submission to the government, there are certain other things to consider. Suppose today we pass this bill, what will be effect subsequently? This parliament passes so many bills, but whether the implementation part is taken care of adequately, that is the moot question. How many cases are pending in the courts? How many cases? In the High Courts, 23% of the cases have been pending for over 10 years. 29% of all cases have been pending between 2 and 5 years in High Courts. In the subordinate courts, over 8% cases have been pending for over 10 years. Maximum number of cases in subordinate courts, that is 47%, have been pending for less than 2 years. And total number of pending in the lower court is 1.2 crore cases. And no, I am not giving the figure of High Court. How many vacancies are there in the courts? We require more courts. We require more judges. Otherwise, we will pass this law and never this law will be implemented. It is a long-run process. Whether we provide that within 2 months inquiries to be completed, within 6 months the case is to be disclosed, whatever, this will have no impact because there will be no judge to decide upon. What is the case of Calcutta High Court? The highest proportion of vacancies amongst the High Courts, where sanction strength is over 10 judges, is in Calcutta. That is 58% vacancies. Total number of vacancies of judges is 42, highest in the country, followed by Karnataka. So this is the alarming situation in the court. They don't have the infrastructure, they don't have the judges, and cases are mounting, and we are passing laws. There is no implementation, and everybody raising fingers at the parliamentarians, everybody aiming fingers at the government. What government will do? Unless these things are improved, this will be a myth. So my suggestion would be, let all points, I am not mentioning the other legal points, there are so many legal points to discuss, let it be referred to the select committee, sir. That would be the best thing for the moment. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.